Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to create a look to match my new pink hair, and one of my friends on Instagram actually suggested that I do a look inspired by Japanese cherry blossoms. So I thought, why not kill two birds with one stone? If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get on with the look. So today I'm actually going to start off with a new product. I've never used a primer before foundation, and I know I should, so I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer today, just to try it out. Okay, I don't know how much we need, so I'm just going to try one squirt. I think I'm going to need two. I didn't think it was going to be like a watery consistency. I don't know what I thought it was going to be consistency-wise, but I'm a little shocked. It kind of smells like, I don't know, like Pine Sol or something. Like, it smells like pine trees and Lysol, so Pine Sol. There's tea tree oil, vitamin A and E in it. Cruelty-free, love that. I don't know how long I'm supposed to let it just like absorb into my skin, so I'm just gonna go in with foundation now, I guess. Like always, I'm gonna go in my ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick in the shade 07 Neutral. And I'm just blending that out with my Juno & Co sponge. Now I'm going to conceal the highest points of the face with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 02. See that? That was as close as I'm ever gonna get to a straight line down the center of my face. Okay, while everything is still wet, I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Now I'm going to set everywhere that we just concealed with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05. So much powder just came out. Oh my god. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, brows are done. Now I'm going to zoom you in so we can get started on the eye look. First, I'm going to go in with the James Charles X Morphe palette in the shade Flashback. And I'm just packing that right underneath the eyebrow with an M535 brush. Now on that same brush, I'm going to take the shade Pinkety Drinkety and put that right in the crease. Now I'm going to take the shade Love That on an M506 brush and pack that right in the crease. I'm going to start out with very little pigment at first and then build that color up as we go. Now I'm going to mix in a little Pinkety Drinkety on the edges. And then go back in with Love That to intensify it even more. Now I'm going to deepen up that crease even more with the shade Love Letter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette using an M431 brush. I'm going to diffuse that line a little bit with more of Love That on an M506 brush. I'm also going to pack some Love Letter into the outer corner as well. Now I'm going to create the half-cut crease using the BH Cosmetics White Concealer and an M421 brush. I'm going to use my finger to help blend out the edges of that concealer. Now using a flat brush, I'm going to pack on Pinkity Drinkity right where we cut that lid. And I'm going to pack Love That right on the outer corner. Taking that M431 brush from earlier, I'm going to dip back into the shade Love Letter and I'm going to deepen up that crease. Now I'm going to take the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Dance Party, which is that neon yellow, and I'm going to mix it with my white concealer to create a lighter lemon yellow shade. I'm going to take that yellow shade that we just created and put that right on the line of the crease. Now on the lower lash line, I'm going to take Love That and then Pinkity Drinkity. Now I'm going to finish the other eye and I will be right back. Going back in with that Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to take the shade Vermeer and I'm going to use that as an inner corner and brow bone highlight. Now I'm just going to pop on some lashes and I'll be right back with the finished look. So the eyes are all done and now I'm going to finish off the face. I'm going to first start out by contouring and bronzing up my face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit, the shade Light Medium. Now for blush, I'm going to take the Alluring Cosmetics Rainbow Deluxe palette and I'm going to go in with this peachy pink shade right at the bottom. Now to highlight the face, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighter Palette in the shade Vivid. To blend my blush, to blend the blush and highlight together, I'm going to use this shade from the James Charles X Morphe palette. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to take the NYX liquid lipstick. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to take the NYX liquid lipstick in the shade. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to go in with the shade Seattle from NYX. Okay. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to take the NYX liquid lipstick in the shade Seattle. First, lining my lips with that same shade. Lastly, to top it off, I'm going to put the NYX Lingerie liquid lip in the shade Silk Indulgent right in the center. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!